The legendary Honda S2000 is back, and it's better than ever. The 2025 Honda S2000 has been one of the most anticipated sports car revivals in recent years, and Honda has finally delivered a masterpiece that blends classic Roadster DNA with cutting-edge technology. Fans of the original S2000, which dominated the early 2000s with its high-revving engine and lightweight chassis, will be thrilled to see that the 2025 model stays true to its heritage while embracing modern performance and innovation. The exterior of the new S2000 is a perfect blend of nostalgia and futuristic styling. Honda has retained the iconic Roadster proportions with a long hood, short rear deck, and a low-slung stance that screams performance. The front fascia features sleek, aggressive LED headlights with a modernized interpretation of the original S2000's design. The sculpted hood has subtle air vents to improve aerodynamics and cooling. The front bumper incorporates large air intakes to enhance airflow and optimize downforce, ensuring the car remains planted at high speeds. Moving to the side profile, the 2025 Honda S2000 continues to embrace its lightweight philosophy with an aluminum and carbon fiber intensive chassis, keeping the curb weight impressively low. The flared wheel arches house a set of staggered 19-inch alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, providing maximum grip and stability. The sculpted body lines flow seamlessly from front to rear, creating an aerodynamic masterpiece designed for both form and function. The side mirrors are aerodynamically shaped and incorporate integrated turn signals, adding a modern touch to the classic design. At the rear, Honda has given the S2000 a stunning and aggressive look. The LED taillights maintain the traditional horizontal layout but now feature a futuristic lighting signature. The rear bumper incorporates a prominent diffuser for improved aerodynamics, and the dual exhaust setup produces an exhilarating sound that pays homage to the original F20C engine's high-revving character. The subtle rear lip spoiler enhances stability at high speeds while adding a sporty aesthetic. Honda has also integrated an active aero system that automatically adjusts based on speed and driving conditions, ensuring optimal performance on both the street and the track. Under the hood, Honda has worked its magic once again, delivering a powertrain that captures the essence of the original S2000 while embracing modern technology. The 2025 S2000 is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, producing an impressive 350 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. This engine is based on Honda's legendary VTEC technology, ensuring a thrilling high-revving experience while benefiting from turbocharged efficiency. The 6-speed manual transmission is a purist's dream, delivering precise and engaging shifts. For those who prefer an automatic option, Honda has introduced an advanced 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that offers lightning-fast gear changes while maintaining driver engagement. One of the biggest advancements in the 2025 S2000 is its hybrid-assisted performance system. Borrowing technology from Honda's Formula One program, the car features an integrated electric motor that provides an additional 50 horsepower in Sport Plus mode, giving the S2000 an instant surge of acceleration when needed. This mild hybrid system not only enhances performance but also improves fuel efficiency, making the new S2000 one of the most eco-friendly sports cars in its segment. The suspension setup has been meticulously engineered to provide the perfect balance of comfort and track-ready performance. The car features a double wishbone suspension system at the front and a multi-link setup at the rear, ensuring precise handling and superior cornering capabilities. Adaptive dampers allow drivers to switch between comfort, sport, and track modes, tailoring the ride dynamics to their preference. The electric power steering has been finely tuned to provide exceptional feedback, making the S2000 feel like an extension of the driver's hands. Braking performance is equally impressive, with large ventilated discs at all 4 corners, accompanied by Brembo calipers for maximum stopping power. The braking system includes regenerative capabilities in the hybrid variant, allowing for energy recovery during deceleration. Whether on a winding mountain road or a race track, the 2025 Honda S2000 delivers confidence-inspiring braking and handling. Stepping inside the cabin, Honda has created a driver-focused interior that blends minimalism with modern technology. The dashboard layout is clean and uncluttered, with a fully digital 10.2-inch instrument cluster that displays real-time performance data, including a customizable tachometer, G-force meter, and lap timer. The infotainment system features a 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. Honda's latest voice-activated assistant allows drivers to control navigation, climate, and entertainment without taking their hands off the wheel. The seats are designed for both comfort and performance, featuring lightweight carbon fiber reinforced shells with premium leather and Alcantara upholstery. The bolstering is perfectly tuned to provide maximum support during spirited driving while remaining comfortable for long journeys. The steering wheel is wrapped in perforated leather with paddle shifters for the dual-clutch variant, while the manual version features a classic aluminum shift knob reminiscent of the original S2000. Honda has also incorporated advanced safety and driver assistance technologies into the 2025 S2000. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The sports car also features a 360-degree camera system, making parking and maneuvering easier despite its low stance. The rear cross-traffic alert ensures additional safety in crowded environments. For those looking to take the S2000 to the track, Honda offers an optional Type R performance package. This package includes a more aggressive aerodynamic kit, lightweight forged wheels, a titanium exhaust system, and an even more track-focused suspension setup. The Type R variant also benefits from increased horsepower and a more aggressive tuning map, making it a true competitor in the lightweight sports car segment. Honda has also embraced sustainability in the development of the 2025 S2000, incorporating eco-friendly materials throughout the cabin. The seats use recycled synthetic materials, and the production process has been optimized to reduce the vehicle's overall carbon footprint. Despite its high-performance nature, the S2000 maintains an impressive fuel efficiency rating, making it a practical choice for enthusiasts who also care about environmental impact. Customization options for the new S2000 are extensive, allowing buyers to tailor the car to their personal style. Honda offers a range of vibrant exterior colors, including heritage shades like Spa Yellow and Grand Prix White, as well as modern metallic and matte finishes. Interior customization includes different seat materials, contrast stitching options, and an optional Alcantara-wrapped dashboard. The return of the Honda S2000 has been met with widespread excitement from car enthusiasts worldwide. Honda has successfully resurrected an icon while integrating the latest advancements in performance and technology. Whether you're a longtime fan of the original model or a newcomer to the world of lightweight sports cars, the 2025 S2000 delivers an unmatched driving experience. Pricing for the 2025 S2000 starts at a competitive level, making it an appealing option compared to rivals like the Mazda MX-5, Toyota GR Supra, and Nissan Z. The hybrid performance model and the Type R variant are positioned slightly higher, but given the level of engineering and performance on offer, the S2000 remains one of the best value propositions in the sports car market. Honda's decision to bring back the S2000 proves that the demand for lightweight, driver-focused sports cars is still alive and well. In an era where many manufacturers are shifting towards SUVs and electric vehicles, Honda has stayed true to its racing heritage by reviving one of its most beloved models. The 2025 S2000 is more than just a car, it's a celebration of pure driving pleasure, precision engineering, and automotive passion.